Okay, check this one out. This is pretty cool. I dig it. What year truck is this?
65.
I thought so. I like it. It's a 65 Chevy. And then we got over here an old Thunderbird. Oh, check this out. Alright. I gotta get out of the way. Sweet. Nice car. And looky over here. You got your old car here. That's pretty cool. It's that. Hi. I'm just getting a few things. Look at this here. Pretty cool. Yeah, I was thinking about it. I was just getting a few shots. Look at this. Original type Thunderbird type interior. It's got the steering wheel that leans over out of the way, for making it easy to get out of the car. A lot of people look at those and think the steering column's broken, but it really just moves out of the way. That's pretty sweet. And there's Tamara. Yeah. Yeah. I'm doing it my way. Here goes a neat looking old truck. I think that's a Chevrolet. We're going to take a look inside this one. Oh, check out the shifter handle. Hope you tubers can see that. It's got some neat looking floor mats if you can see those. I can't really tell if you can or not. But either way, it's fine. Blood, sweat, and gears. I like it. I also like the kind of the flat black finish, and he's got this little thing in the back. It's pretty cool, I thought. Got a Dr. Pepper thing on there. See if I can get this thing to focus. There we go. You can see it now. That's pretty cool. I like that. I don't know. Longer than 15 minutes. Look at this. Yeah. It's probably a car club or something. Look at this old Ford. Look at this thing. It says 40,000 on it. He'll get every bit of that too. This thing must have a heck of a motor on it. Old V8. I like it. And look at this old Cutlass. This old Cutlass is pretty honking. I'm not sure what year that is. I'm going to go over here and look and see if I can get a little information out of it. What year is this? It's a 19... See if you can read that. 1963. And the dude wants $10,000 for it. Nice car. If you're interested in it, call that phone number. The dude will sell it to you. I'll give you a wide look. Kinda down her lines there. Now we're gonna look at the interior. Check her out. Looks real good. Looks real good. It's a nice car. Yeah, it looks like she's all there too. This is 54, ain't it? Is it 54? Ah, sweet. My dad had one that was kind of like this. Oh, man. Listen to that motor. Resto Dan, you need to see this. I hope I get you to look at this. This looks kind of like your dinosaur, Resto Dan. This is an old Dodge. Got a friend on YouTube that's got a truck kind of like this. Yeah, I'm hoping that he sees this one. A guy by the name of Resto Dan. Nice fella. He's got one he calls the dinosaur.
Before I saw it.
Yeah, what year?
56?
Yep.
Awesome.
You can tell the people on YouTube what year it is if you want to. What year is that car?
It's a 1956 Bel Air.
Sweet. See, you get your girlfriend in on the fun. That is nice. It's kind of hard to get a full view out here because, you know, they're kind of close together. We'll get that El Camino in it. That's pretty sweet. Doing a little filming for YouTube. Oh, look at this. Malibu. Nice ride. I love these old convertibles. Appears to be for sale. Yeah. Yeah, that one guy over there selling his had a phone number on it, so we'll have that out there so anybody even out of state would probably give him a call. You can buy this car. You got to call 918-625-2120. You got that, people on YouTube? You sell this, you call that number, this fella will sell this car to you. It looks like a nice car. It's good and straight and everything. Just anybody that buys it, don't cut it up and drag race it. Let's keep this thing original. Let's preserve some of our old Survivor cars. Some of them cars, it just breaks my heart. People cut them up and tub them out and everything. I'd rather see them kept, you know, the body lines at least stopped. You put whatever you want under the hood, but let's keep the body lines. It's like this 56 Bel Air over here. They kept all the original chrome on it. You just can't lose that. You start losing that, you start losing history. Then we don't know what we came from. These old cars are from a better time. Oh, I got to show you the inside of this one. See if you can see all that. I love these old dashes. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start another vid now because I don't know how long this thing will run. How long it'll take me to upload to YouTube. So. See you in